Okay, welcome back. So, today I've got more Dragon Ball. So, I have three Dragon Ball card game Fusion World Blazing Aura. Three of them. I have three Dragon Ball Fusion World. This one is Raging Roar. And then I have two Fusion World Ultra Limit. See the Ultra Limit right there. Now, you might be thinking, that's not a lot. And you would be right. That is not a lot. Because I have 18. 18 Dragon Ball Fusion World. Which one is this? Awakened Pulse. That's right. So this is the FB1. This has the really good Goku chase cards. So I'm going to open these first. And then we're going to work on the Awakened Pulse. So let's do in reverse order. I'm just going to do all of these in one. So let's pop it open. Ultra Limit. See what we get. Okay, we've got Super Saiyan Goku pulling the Saiyan Sword. Let me mess with the focus here. A little less. There we go. Next. Ooh. Okay, he's from the Tournament of Power. I don't know his name, but he's fast. We've gotten this card before. It's common. We've got an uncommon. It's a Robot Man. Oh, okay. That's like Old Boo? Starving Boo? Oh, I've got another. So this is uncommon. Oh, okay. Secret rare. Or what's the SR? Hold on. I have a list. Super rare. Super rare. Super rare. Look at that. We got a super rare Nappa. That's cool. And then promo card. Let's leave this boy real quick. Look at that. Nice. Pop him right there. Next one. So I only got two of these packs. In my research, I learned that the FB4s were not super valuable, or the cards in them are not super valuable. Got Tien, Con. Already have that guy. Not sure who he is. Got Boo. Super Boo. Who are you? Is that Red Rebel? Or not Red Rebel. Red Ribbon? No, that's not Red Ribbon thing. I don't know what that is. Uncommon? I forget this guy's name, but he's pretty funny. And then, ooh, okay, rare. And a promo card. Sleeve him up. I have no idea who this is. It's cool though. I don't know what DA is. Okay, on to FB3. Raging Roar. That's how I know it's not going to be a good pack. When I fuck up the ripping. we got a Piccolo. Special beam cannon. Oh, this is a leader. This is the Awakened. So we got Piccolo. Then Special Beam Piccolo. That's cool. Common Piccolo. I have that card. We got GT Boo. Common card. Tournament of Power Boys. Common. Common. Just a man. Oh, and a rare. No uncommon in that. Maybe because I got the leader card? I guess so. But Android 17. Cool card. Next one, FP3. All right, this guy again. I gotta learn his name. He's cool. That's Frieza ship, I think. Frieza spaceship. This guy again. Full art? Or was he full art last time? Yeah, he was. That guy again. Android 18 uncommon. That's cool. Very cool. Then a rare. The boy. I looked up his name and I've already forgotten it. No memory of who this is. Okay. We got Super Saiyan Blue Vegeta, common. That guy again. Boo. Is that Khalifa? I think so. That's her fused form. Oh, Bulma. GT Bulma. Ooh, and a rare Goku. Okay. I'm into that. Look at him. I like it. All right, on to FB2. We've got the Blazing Aura. Blazing Aura. We got an Android 19, with his laser beams, his laser eyes. I don't know who that is. I've never seen that character. All commons. Bulma. Uncommon, Android 17. Okay. Uncommon, Super Saiyan 3 Goku. And a rare Frieza in Hell. Okay. Two more. Possibly just one hit. I've only gotten the one secret rare so far. Ooh, this is a cool card. Look at that. Khalifa and Kaioken Goku. Kid Goku. Common. Ooh, Yamcha. Uncommon. Super Saiyan Vegeta. And oh, that's it's not Pan, is it? Pan's their daughter, I think. I don't remember her name. It's Gohan's wife. Little waifu card. All right, last one. What's her name? Oh, shit. Look at that. Thank God it's the promo card. I need to start cutting these. Okay, we got Cell. That's version phase 2 Cell. That's, I don't know who that is. Is that Goku or Gohan? Just not Super Saiyan. Oh, Super Saiyan 2 Trunks. Ultra Instinct. That's cool. Uncommon Gohan getting pissed off, and then the rare. Ooh, that's Is his name Black? I don't know. It's a cool card though. That's a super cool card. Very cool. All right. So that's our haul from these packs. Freeze. This one's cool. I'll check that one for sure. I think I already have this guy. That one's cool as well. And then our big one, Secret Rare. Cool. All right. Well, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let me know what you want me to open. Catch you next time.